Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial of install a new instance in SQL Server 2019 Developer Edition. The first thing we had to do to install SQL Server 2019 is to go to Google search and put SQL Server download free. Scroll down and click in this link that is microsoft.com. Download the developer free edition. Click yes. Here, if you want to do a basic database administration, you have the option of select basic. But if you want to use more features like SQL Server analysis services, integration services, or reporting services, then do not select the basic. The options therefore are custom. So at this time, I will use custom. Install. Now, open this window. We're going to select installation. Click here on New Server Standalone Installation or add new feature to an existing installation. Click Next. Next. Select Perform a new installation of SQL Server 2019. Select Specific Free Edition. Accept the license terms and Next. Then check the box of SQL Server Replication, Analysis Services, and Integration Services. Click Next. Put a name to these instances. I'm gonna use new instances 2019. Next, select add current user and select mixed mode, SQL Server authentication and Windows authentication, and put a password that you can remember later. Next, select a current user and next. Now click install. Wait some time for the installation. And finally, click close. Let's go and close all these windows. Going to find Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Here for authentication, I'm gonna use SQL Server, and let's go and use the password that we configured during the installation. And that's it. Now you can start to work with databases.